early morning store run. We're about to buy a bunch of pillows and some tape because today we're building a pillow suit. But you gotta focus. Alright, we got the pillows. Got some max strength duct tape, T-Rex packing tape, Gorilla tape, scissors, coffee. So I think the hardest thing is gonna be getting this anatomically correct and functional too. So I want to move and stuff. Just feel like my body. Wrap that up in here like that. It's gonna be like my front. Fill on the sides like that. And then fill on this side like that. Let's get taping. So honestly, I could be like popping holes in these, tying them together with like rubber bands or strings, but that just takes too much time. All right, so this is T-Rex packing tape right here. I got this because it's clear. I'm just gonna make a quick loop here, maybe 2. All right, maybe 3. Okay. Next string here. Why am I doing this? It's so you can practice death-defying stunts and hopefully not get hurt. So you see that? Just gotta fold over like that. Now we're gonna tape the side on like this, right? To the back. It's gotta be snug. Make. Learn it as I go. You don't want to tape the inside too much right away because I need to slip in and out. All right, now you can give this a nice firm wrapping. All right, test, take 1. Okay, whoa. It's a little tight. It's okay. Oh. Oh man, this is comfy. Alright. It's a big viper. Alright, so I think I want to make like a fold over headpiece. So we'll get one more long one and then we'll wrap around, fold over like this. And then we'll go 2 on the side here. You guys can see the Gorilla tape. It's pretty heavy duty. It's nice and strong. It's gonna be my headpiece. So it's gonna have a bend. So just like kind of the moon suit, but we're building a full body suit. Just, yeah! That's how we do stuff. Yeah? Oh, come here. There you go. Let me try this out. Alright. Alright. Soup me up. Yeah! Oh, it's so soft. It smells like chemicals. Put this like right here and then have to make another part right here. So alright, so I'm gonna do the other arm in a second, but I want to do the leg now. Crap, I think I'm gonna need 2. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this like up a little bit. Alright, and just like that. Crap, that's gonna be so much meat. Kidding me? I'm gonna get away with 1 down here because of my small calves. Oh yeah. Dun 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 dun. I'm gonna do the other side, arm and leg. Exactly the same. I'll hook this together. Holy moly. Wow, now I gotta sync this up. So I gotta have my shoulders protected, my delts. So I'm gonna probably want that on the head like that. I can tell this thing's already gonna weigh a ton, and the more tape I put on, the more it's gonna weigh. So that's probably gonna be the hardest part is like doing stunts in a suit that weighs like 100 pounds. So my legs are gonna pop out through there, and they're gonna attach into here. So I'm gonna probably want this to be taped onto here like that. Easy squeezy. Partial test. So first, you put your legs out. Sit. We'll reinforce this a little bit later. Foot and hold. Pull this up tight. Okay. Other one. One, two. Ah, I did it. Other arm, please. Yes. It's coming alive. Yes! There's some minor adjustments I want to make here. Maybe we should add like an extra bunker right here. Oh. Whoa. Okay. All right. Okay. We need to tighten this thing up. All right. So far, so good though. Get out of there. Oh, it's hot in there, man. It needs like an intercooler. Oh. Oh. All right. We're in the middle of reinforcing this thing. I had to go to the store and buy another roll of T-Rex tape because I want the outside to look more aesthetic. You know, not all duct taped up. Got to snug this one in here. Like this. Okay. Holy moly, if I slip in through the side, get my head in there. All right, I'm just gonna tape it all up. Oh, brother. Okay. Oh, it's gonna be the hardest thing to get on and off. But, gotta do what you gotta do. All right. Oh, man. Legs in. It sounds like it's breaking apart, but that's just natural. There's got to be some, you know, some leeway. Get the diaper on. Get the legs on first. Oh. All right, I'm in. Oh, gosh, yes! Everybody have fun tonight. Fun tonight. Okay, front flip. Back flip. Hardest part. I don't know I'm gonna fit through doorways. Didn't even hurt! Oh, it didn't even hurt at all! I'm invincible! But not the heat stroke. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Sorry about the messy kitchen. Oh, I need a glass of water. Glass of water test. I can hear it. Ready, up.
Gotta detach me.
You guys wanna ride down with me? I landed right side up. Okay, we need to fix that leg. We'll take it to the big trampoline. gosh. Ah! Ah, frick! I feel like I'm gonna throw up. That's the first sign of heat stroke. Yeah, it's okay. It'll come to. Oh. So why did I even build this in the first place? In my mind, I was thinking like, why build a foam pit when you can wear the foam pit? You know what I mean? So I would say this is kind of a success. The reason kind of, I was literally able to like jump and roll down the stairs, no pain at all. Also landing on my head, pretty much no pain. You know, I guess you could bend wrong, but you know, pretty decently flexible right now. Negatives, this thing weighs a ton. Seriously, this whole thing probably weighs like 70 pounds, I would say. And it's awkward, and it's hard to move, but worst of all, it's super hot. So right now it's like 90 degrees out, humid. Going in that thing outside, it's like you can only last a couple of minutes, and then, you know, it's like heat stroke basically. I would say it's a temporary success. We're gonna try it out more intensely soon, put it through some more rigorous testing maybe in another video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was entertaining and fun. Hope you guys all have a great day. Peace, y'all have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, gotta pack this thing away. These kind of remind me of sock and boppers. Do you guys remember like the sock and boppers, you know? I wanna be the very best, but no one ever was, yeah. Sock and boppers, sock and boppers.